Hello friends, good morning all of you. Myself Dhungare Tejal Dilip, Assistant Professor of the Department of Horticulture. Now today's topic is that production technology of banana. Botanical description. Botanical name Musa cavendish, then family Musaceae, origin Southeast Asia and chromosome number 22. Then second point, economic importance. Economic importance, banana is a rich source of carbohydrates and is rich in vitamin B. It is also a good source of potassium, phosphorus, calcium and magnesium. That's why banana fruit, it is also called as a complete food. Then it also reducing a risk of heart diseases, ulcer and kidney disorders. Processed products of the banana like that chips, banana puree, jam, juice, wine can be made from the banana fruits. Then third point, it is also used for preparing baby foods. And raw fruits are used as a vegetable purpose in Tamil Nadu state. Then last point, it is used for extraction of the starch. And last one, banana leaves are also used as a religious purpose. Then next point, soil. Soil, banana requires loamy soil with pH 6 to 8. Then it also requires well drained and fertile soil and also a clay soil for the cultivation of banana. Then next point, banana is a water loving plant. It cannot tolerate water stagnation condition. Then calcareous and hard lateritic soil are not suitable for the banana cultivation. Then third point, climate. Climate, banana is a tropical crop, that's why it requires warm and humid climate for its better development. Then next point, optimum temperature range is 10 to 35 degrees Celsius with 90% relative humidity. And last point, heavy storm, frost, low temperature below 10 degrees Celsius or above 40 degrees Celsius temperature are limiting factor for the successful cultivation of banana. Then fourth point, propagation. Propagation of the banana, it is done through the suckers. Suckers means short suckers. Then rhizomes. Firstly suckers. Suckers. First selection of the suckers. Select 2 to 4 months aged suckers for the planting of banana. Then leaves are pointed, narrow and upright. Then second point, rhizomes is conical with the sound heart and growth is vigorous and fast. Bearing is earlier up to the 11 months and short suckers are best. Then second, flat rhizomes should be rejected. The weight of rhizome should be 0.5 to 1 kg. But nowadays tissue culture is very popular in India or all over the world. Then planting time. Planting of the banana, it should be done in the month of June, July. Then second point, planting distance. For the tall varieties 2.5 meter by 2.5 meter and dwarf varieties 1.8 meter by 1.8 meter. Then next point, planting methods. In that first one, pit method. Pit method, in this method dug out the pits of 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter size. There is no need of the earthing up operation. Then next point, filling of the pits. Filling of the pits, the pits are filled by using fertile soil. Then well composed FIM and 1 to 2 kg SSP and 10% carbaryl powder. Then furrow method. In this method, this is a common method in which furrows of 15 to 20 cm depth are opened. Then next point, the rhizomes are planted in furrow at a given distance. Then last one, earthing up operation is required because of it is a furrow method. Essential operations. First one, desuckering. Desuckering means removal of unwanted suckers to avoid loss of food material of the mother plant. Then second, it is done by cutting pseudostem of the sucker close to the ground level. Then use of kerosene on cut portion inhibits the recurrent growth of that suckers. Then second essential operation, earthing up. Earthing up means giving a support to the base portion of the plant or also improves the better root system. Earthing up should be done at the time of rainy season for avoiding waterlogged condition. It will also provide proper drainage facility to the plant. That's why earthing up it is a essential cultural operation in banana fruit. Propping, third operation, it is a propping. Propping means giving a support to the plant by using a bamboo stick at the time of bunch development. Then fourth one, wrapping. Wrapping means covering of bunch to protect the fruits from sunburn, then hot winds and dust. It also improves the color of fruit and improves the quality of fruit. Then fifth operation, denaveling. Denaveling means removal of male bud after the completion of female phase. It is known as the denaveling. This helps for fruit development and mature the bunch 15 days. Mature the bunch 15 days. Then next point, varieties. Varieties, in that first one, Basrai. Basrai, it is a dwarf variety of the banana. Then the specific features of the Basrai variety. First one, widely planted variety in Maharashtra. Then second, high yielding variety. Then third one, height of this variety 1.5 to 2.5 meter, and fruits are large, curved, yellow skinned with a soft pulp and sweet in taste. And it is also resistant to the Panama wilt. Then second variety, Harichal. Harichal, it is also known as a Bombay green. The fruit color of this variety is green. That's why it is also called as a Harichal. It is a tall variety, growing height of 3 to 3.5 meter. Then third one, Lal Velchi. Lal Velchi, it is also known as a Puvan. Specific features, it is a tall variety. Then it produces medium-sized fruits and bunch weight up to the 20 kg and severely affected by the banana streak virus. Then fourth one, Saped Velchi. Then Ardapuri and Srimanti. Seventh, Rajeli. Rajeli, it is also known as a Nendran. Nendran, it is a most popular variety which is used for the cooking purpose in a Tamil Nadu state. Then Grand Nine. Grand Nine, it is also a dwarf variety of banana. It is introduced from Australia. Then it is highly exportable variety in Marathwada and western Maharashtra. It requires propping. Then next point, manures and fertilizers. Banana is a heavy feeder of manures and fertilizer. It requires 100 to 150 carloads of FIM or compost per hectare. Is given at the time of preparatory tillage. Then recommended dose of 250 gram of nitrogen and 200 gram of phosphorus and 250 gram of potash per plant is given at the time of planting. The next point, irrigation. Banana is water loving plant, that's why it requires more number of the irrigation. Up to the 40 to 50 irrigations are required for the growth of banana crop. Then the orchard is flooded with water just after planting. banana need irrigation. Irrigation should be given at following stages. First one at a seedling stage, then second one bunch emergence stage, and third one bunch development stage. These are the critical growth stages for the irrigation. Summer requires 7 to 8 days interval. Then winter it requires 10 to 12 days interval. Harvesting and yield. Harvesting of banana, it is depend on the following signs of the maturity. First one, drying of leaves, then changing of fruit skin color from green to light green, then ridges of the fruit turn round from angular, and it requires 11 to 14 months for the harvesting. Then last point, yield. Banana produces 90 to 120 ton per hectare if good management practices. Then average yield up to the 40 to 60 tons per hectare.